Have you ever read something you wrote and thought, why doesn't this sound the way it does in my mind? If yes, you are not bad at writing. You are just still learning. Writing is not about talent, it's about practice, awareness, and patience. The good thing is, writing skills can be improved by anyone. Let me share some tips, simple tips that actually work. First, write daily. Even if it's 2 lines, just write. Because skill grows with repetition, not perfection. Second, read like a writer. Don't just read for information. Notice how sentences are formed, how ideas flow, and how stories are told. Third, simplify your words. Good writing is not about sounding intelligent, it is about being understood. Fourth, edit gently. Write freely first, edit later. Never judge your words while they are still being born. And finally, fifth one, write honestly. Your real voice is your strongest skill. You don't improve writing by waiting. You improve it by showing up again and again. If writing matters to you, don't just watch this video. Open a page right now and write for 10 minutes. No editing, no pressure. Just write. If you are committed to improve your writing skill, comment, I am writing today below the segment. Because writers are not born, they are made. So just focus on one page at a time. Thank you.